recently launched a new compensation program, a first step toward healing, but some say that's not enough. The story tonight from 7 Eyewitness News reporter Josh Bazan.
I never want a child to go through what I went through, to have to unravel years of depression, of confusion, of anger, of shame.
Tom Travers from Buffalo says he was raped by a priest at Nativity School in Orchard Park when he was an altar boy there. It took him decades to come to terms with what happened.
As children, we have no idea that we were traumatized. We don't have the words to ask for help when we're suffering from depression or suicidal thoughts. So we end up just burying that inside of us and building defense mechanisms around ourselves to protect ourselves.
That's one of the reasons Travers is fighting for New York State to pass the Child Victims Act. It would extend the statute of limitations for child sexual abuse survivors to age 28 for criminal charges and to age 50 for civil lawsuits. Right now, survivors can only take legal action if they do so before they turn 23. In cases that date back decades and fall outside those statute of limitations, the law would allow those survivors a 1-year window to initiate legal action.
The simple truth is that sexual abuse is a systemic problem in our society. It exists in schools, it exists in institutions, it exists in our clubs.
The bill has passed the state assembly before, but has never been brought to a vote in the state Senate, which is controlled by a Republican majority. Western New York Republican Senators Chris Jacobs and Patrick Gallivan both say in statements they support reforms to prevent sexual abuse of children and to hold predators accountable for those actions, but they did not mention the Child Victims Act specifically. In Buffalo, Josh Bazan, 7 Eyewitness News.